Hey, how's it going, guys? Getting back to you with another upload once again. And the 2018 corn harvest has officially begun for our farm. Right now we're just now getting the headlands done, and I got a little bit more of the headlands to do, and then I'll be able to start shelling back and forth. But wanted to start this video out up here at the truck. Figured it'd be easier to make an intro while I'm sitting. But yeah, the 2018 corn harvest has officially begun, and it's going to be very patchy this year as far as videos go and as far as harvest goes. With us off and on planting this spring, there's going to be a lot of on and off harvesting, so stuff is going to be getting ready, and you know, there's going to be stuff that's going to be ready to shell before others. So what's probably going to happen is we'll end up running for a couple of days and have to wait a week, and run a couple of days and then wait a week again, simply because stuff was planted so spread out because of the weather. So my hopper's about empty, so we're going to go ahead and keep on shelling and see how the rest of the night goes. Okay guys, so sorry for the short video, but you guys know how it is, first day of harvest. You know, just wanted to make sure that I had my eye on the monitor, make sure I had my ears open. You know, first day of harvest, you want to make sure that you don't hear any funny noises and make sure everything's running all right. So I didn't want to be on my camcorder too much, but we only shelled a couple of loads today, not very many. We only shelled about 3 loads, so 3,000 bushel. Didn't harvest a lot, so we just wanted to harvest enough to, you know, kind of get some corn going through the dryer and, you know, make sure the dryer is running all right. And this corn is a little on the wet side. Probably could have waited just a little bit longer, but, you know, good way to test out the dryer. So yeah, so the 2018 harvest for our farm is officially started. We don't have any beans ready yet, and again, it's just going to be a very patchy fall. You know, this spring, you know, we would plant, then it would get wet, so then we'd have to wait, then it would dry up, so then we'd be able to go plant some more, then it would rain again, then it would, you know, get wet again, so then we'd have to wait. So an off and on spring is going to lead to an off and on fall. So there's going to be times where we can only harvest for 2 or 3 days and then have to wait a week because, you know, some stuff is going to be ready and then some stuff is not going to be ready. So it's just going to kind of depend on how it matures and, you know, if we start to get any frosts. So yeah, it's going to be all over the place this year. since, you know, it was on and off planting, on and off harvest. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next upload. Laptop is still broken, and then I'm not able to upload videos yet, so gonna have to keep on doing it the old-fashioned way with my app on my phone. So I will get that fixed eventually. Probably not gonna get it fixed this year, or this fall I should say, simply because between my full-time job and then coming straight to the field and working until late, it just ain't gonna happen this fall. So hope you guys are alright with the old-fashioned videos, and hope you guys enjoy them, and hope to be getting more uploads out to you guys soon.